Hi, how do you do? I'm Kazuya. Today I'm gonna show you replace wiper blade. If it's like this, you should replace as soon as possible. By rights, it is very easy work, but too long process make difficulty its rates. Point 1. Don't take down overmuch. Point 2. Don't lose small clip. If fadeaway clips make more difficult work. If you lost grip, you need fix like this for enter this work. Right way to replace. Take off and slide in. Only in this one. Just like this, snap on. Today work make comfortable and safe drive than before. Thank you for watching. Hope you will see you.